In yet another case of reckless driving by a mining truck driver on Friday morning, a resident of Karmane, Sanvordem, Sudhakar Parker died in an accident while his wife and mother travelling with him in a van were admitted to Kakora Health Centre with severe injuries. Following the accident, the agitated locals blocked the road demanding compensation for the victim's family from the mining company concerned. At around 6:30 in the morning, a mining truck bearing registration number GA09U3586 collided with a van bearing registration number GA09A3458 coming in the opposite direction of Periodak Sanvordem. The driver of the van, Sudhakar Parker, died in the hospital while undergoing treatment, while his wife Rupa Parker and mother were severely injured and were taken to the nearby Kakora Health Centre. Further, the agitated people blocked the road demanding compensation for the victims from the mining company concerned. Speaking to GOA365, a local resident gave us details of the incident.
सावडे पुलिस आनी वाडोवपाक घातले अशें म्हाका दिसता आनी हितून लोकप्रतिनिधी बी आसा न्हू तेणे हांगा रस्तो रूंद करपाचो तेजे बरदी ना निवडून येता घर बसता.